Happy Friday, everybody. So excited about today. As you can tell, I'm having a blast already. Now, this is the theme for today. Oh, yeah. Theme for today, laughter, happiness, joy. You see, they don't want you to be happy. They want you to be stressed. They want you to be depressed. They want you to have anxiety. They don't want you to be happy. Hello, Diana. They don't want you to enjoy your life. They want you to be worried. You know what? Too bad, so sad. I'm here to give you a jolt like you would never have before. The jolt of your life. Right now, your laughter and your joy is like millions of dollars in your spiritual mind, body, and spirit bank account. Every time someone stresses you out, you're paying them. Every time someone makes you feel bad, you're paying them. Every time someone throws some shade at you, every time someone bullies you, you're like paying them. Well, you know what? I'm here to tell you to reclaim your money back. How do you do that? Cut off all ties with the negative people. Let me tell you what. Since the World Conference, I've been laughing so much. I'm looking at all the photos and the videos, and I have so much joy. When you have joy, you're adding money to your bank account. You're adding money to your mind, body, spirit. You're adding energy. Did you know you can get energy from other things than just food and sleep? You get energy from the people that come into your life. I gotta give you a testimony. Thank you, God, you're working wonders in my life. People that have nothing to do with my success and my mental well-being are leaving my life. I don't even have to take the garbage out myself. It's like the garbage taking themselves out. It's like that big black garbage bag just grew some legs and waddled right out to the garbage. And I said, thank you, God. I don't have any problems. And I just sit there and laugh. Laughter is the best medicine for the spirit, guys. When you laugh, you're increasing wealth in your body. Yes. Hello, Rita. Yes, Nina. Hello. Yelly, good morning. People, when you add happiness and joy to your life, and you just say, life is a beach, I'm not going to stress out, I'm going to laugh, I'm going to enjoy myself, you actually increase. Okay, why do you think, people can save the whales? I'm here to save the happy. I'm here to evoke the happy out of you. Why? It's a vibration. When you're happy, wealth, health, prosperity, joy, I'm getting chills, come to you. It's the vibration. I'm not going to let anybody or anyone steal your joy. Why do you think I'm always celebrating? Yelly, don't threaten me with a good time. Don't you threaten me with a good time. I need you to RSVP to all the fun things that make you happy. Or stay in bed and have a hot bath. Whatever makes you happy, whatever increases your joy. I got some jokes here. What's the difference between a dog and a fox? Do you guys know the difference between a dog and a fox? About 5 of these workouts, honey. It'll transform your life. How many optometrists does it take to change a light bulb? And Rita, this is up your alley because I know you're an optometrist. 1 or 2? 1 or 2? Woo! I got them all day, guys. Yeah, see? Woo! I'm so jolted right now. Today we're talking about abundance. We're going to increase your abundance. Why? Because you deserve to have that vibration. Right now, repeat after me. I'm in a state of receiving. I have all of my energy portals open. I am receiving wealth, health, happiness, joy. My cells are all vibrating on a positive vibration of love, light, and laughter. Don't even entertain the negative people. Don't even respond back to their texts. Just delete and move on, honey, and get your nice cucumber lemon water on and just give yourself a high five, okay? So, how do you raise your vibration? Get away from negative people. Drink some nice vibrational water. Eat whole foods, living foods. Do yourself a green smoothie like I did yesterday. Go to bed early. Even though I had so much yesterday, my feet are hurting from it. Right, Yelly? We had so much fun, and I know Lula's there somewhere. So to wrap up, reclaim and unleash your VIP power. People want to take it from you. They want to take all your money. And they want to take your house, your friends. They want to take everything. Well, you know what? Reclaim your personal VIP power. And I will see you guys at 8 a.m. Listen, there's a jolt today at 2:30, and it's going to be good. So many miracles are happening, guys. They're coming in fast. I need a helmet. and a seatbelt because they're just boom, boom, boom. So let's keep on manifesting miracles. We're in alignment. We're in prosperity. We're in abundance. We have repositioned ourselves, realigned ourselves, pushed the reset button, the refresh button. We are rejuvenated, recharged. And this is not just a bunch of talk. We're living it. You've seen nothing yet. 2020 is lit. It's on fire. Let's get this party started. Join me today at 8 a.m. if you remember. If not, suit up, get your little fingers out and go JNLVIP.com. Okay? Get it going and meet me in cyberspace. We're going to cyber attack the fat. Woo! And the negativity too. All right, let's do this. I'll see you at 8 a.m. if you dare. Woo! Let's do this. Love you guys. Rita Yelly, you are receiving, open and ready for unrestricted abundance. Woo! I love it. I felt that one. Yes, unbridled abundance. Unbridled prosperity. It's your birthright. People been blocking it. We've allowed people in. Look, we're letting people that don't matter. And guess what? They don't pay our rent. They don't pay our light bills. Why are we doing that? No more. See you at 8 a.m. JNLVIP.com. Woo! Love you guys. Oh, hold on. Last but not least. Feels so good. Love you guys. See you in a little bit. Let's do this.